met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever lost. So tired of sleeping alone, so tired of eating alone. I need to ask her, what's going on? Are we going strong? She felt like resting her head. My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? Cause I've been undone. The long drive, the coastline, looking
We made it to Vermont. We're got the house all set up, and now we're off to go to a lake.
I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever lost, ever lost. Ba-ba, ba-ba.
Alright, it's 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, and we're going to hike Mount Washington.
And still the memory's right there. She put the breeze in my hair. No kiss was softer, softer than this. I'm reading her lips. Oh, each line I read. She left her books in my bed and her song in my head. I've been undone. Oh, Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever lost, ever lost. Ba-ba, 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 oh, Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. Gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever lost. Oh, Saturday sun, Saturday sun, I met someone. Saturday sun, ba-ba, 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 ba-ba.
Alright, so we finally got down Mount Washington. However, we had to take a train because we were gonna get stuck at the top overnight, and we couldn't hitchhike down because because it was gonna be 50 miles away from where our car was, so we ended up having to pay $50 each to get on a train down. However, we're down and we're going to Matt.
Yeah,
Look.
then when he shows it to the camera, it says Pennsylvania.
Yeah, because they think they're real for 7 years.
Alright, it's 1 in the morning in the middle of my aunt's house, and
they kicked over my rice shoe.
Matt put rice in his
I'm
shoe
not
to
buying a
dry
potato
it,
for
and
your
I
stupid
accidentally
potato
kicked it
gun.
over and
Oh,
woke
so
him
it
up.
was you that kicked my shoe.
And I woke him up to clean it up. So now we're all screaming at 1 in the morning.
Yo, I'm not buying a potato for your stupid potato gun.
What was that? What'd you say?
I said get out of here.
Why? What's wrong with you, huh?
If you guys,
my rice shoe.
if you guys want there's directions. Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
I'll have to continue this in the morning.
Oh my god.
Brian, where are we going?
To a gorge.
And then where?
To a swimming hole.
Yep.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf.
So we were just eating breakfast out here, and we were eating our cereal, and I'm looking at the side of the house, and I saw these like paw prints or handprints on the house. And then we remembered a couple of nights ago we heard some like scratching and like banging at the house, and we looked at them closer, and they really do look like paw prints. So we looked, like, I took a video of them and didn't show that well in the video, but there was a bear just crawling at the house a couple nights ago, and we just found the marks from it. Ugh.
And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay.
Alright, so it is the next day from yesterday. About 3 days ago we hiked the tallest summit in New Hampshire, which is Mount Washington. Today we decided spontaneously last night at like 11 o'clock to hike Mount Mansfield, the tallest peak in Vermont. So that's what we're doing right now.
How high is it?
4,393 feet, I think. I'll confirm that later.
I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Alright, we just completed the whole hike. We got all of us here. It was a very long hike. Yeah, we ended up doing what turns out we went up the hardest and steepest trail. We came down the easiest one. But yeah, we're done. We're all pretty spent. Gonna drive back to town and go grab some dinner.
I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Yeah, I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Alright, it's our last morning here. We're doing our last little cleanup around the house. We're literally gonna leave in like 5 minutes, hopefully. Go to New Hampshire and then see a friend, and straight from New Hampshire we're out of here. Back to home. So we just drove from Bradford to Laconia to meet up with our buddy, and then drove all the way from Laconia to Keene, which had to be like an hour to an hour and a half, to see Matt, who left earlier this morning to go to school. Today was his first day of college ever. So we drove out here to say bye to him, and that's why we just got his interview done right here. So we're gonna do our little goodbye, take a little group photo, and then we're back to Connecticut, and Matt's staying here in Keene because he's here for school. All right, Matt, this is just for my video. This is a goodbye. We'll see you in about a month, probably.